what I use to make my brake lines, and this is your original line. We're going to be using 1/4" tubing, and this is nickel cadmium, I guess it's nicot. So it's just going to get the length of it. Not really worried about getting it the right shape right now, since we bent it coming off. So we'll say about here. Let's get the cutter. And then you're going to take your cutter. And be sure to ream it out. Same with the other side. And the kit that I use, I'm going to put this in the vise. And the kit comes with 2 dials. This is 37 degree and this is 45. And we'll be using 45. And it just snaps on. Make sure you have the correct fittings. We're going to use a short fitting for the block, and the one that goes into the wheel cylinder, we'll use a longer one. Makes it easier to get to. Make sure you have your fittings on. And this is the 1/4" die. And it fits right into your block. So you want to snug it down and make sure this operation is 0. So that's going to be your first setting. So once you just snug it down, take this to 0. That's going to line up your die and your line. Then you want to tighten it all the way down. Next, you want to take your operation to operation 1 for 1/4", which is here. Do the same, compress. And take this to operation 2 for 1/4". And that's going to be your flare. So that's one end. We'll do the same for this end. Once again, make sure you get your fitting on here. Turn this back to 0. Snug it down. Tighten it down. Operation 1, 1/4 inch. Operation 2, 1/4 inch. That's going to be your fitting. That's your flare. All we have to do now is just shape it the way we need it. Go from there.